Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can link bank account to your Coinbase account. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then open up your web browser, and then you can use any web browser that is convenient for you, and then on the search box you'll have to type in www.coinbase.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. So once you're logged into your account, this is what the interface is going to look like. Now once you're on the home page, what you need to do is you have to tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of your screen. After you tap on the profile icon, there's a drop down menu. So from the drop down menu, you'll have to tap on settings. On the other interface, you'll be directed to the settings page of Coinbase. Now over here you can see right at the bottom you have an option as add a payment method. So in order to link your bank account, you'll have to tap on it. As soon as you tap on add a payment method, right in center there's a pop-up. So from there you'll have to select the payment method that you want to add. Since our video is based on how to add a bank account or how to link a bank account, so then you'll have to tap on bank account right on top. Basically there are two different ways to add a bank account to your Coinbase, and in case you want to go on with this procedure or the plate procedure, then you need to do is tap on continue. In case you go on with the plate procedure, then you have to set up a plate account first of all, and then complete the verification, or you need to complete the KYC process. And once you're done, on the other interface you have something like this. Now after that, this kind of interface will appear on your device. So over here you'll need to tap on manually link bank account, which is right at the bottom. So once you tap on it, a pop-up will appear on your screen. So over there you'll have to enter the account detail, and after that you need to verify your account. So in order to verify your account, two small deposits will be added or transferred into your account. So in order to verify your account, you'll have to wait for 2 to 3 days. And after you're done receiving the deposit or the verification, so after that head back to your home screen once again, and then tap on the profile icon located in the top right. So from the drop down menu you have to tap on settings page. After you tap on settings, on the other interface you have verify in the top right corner of your screen. So you'll have to tap on it. So after you tap on verify, a pop-up will appear right in center. So what you need to do is you have to enter the deposit that you received currently, and then tap on verify transfer amount, and after that you successfully linked your bank account. So that is how you can link bank account to your Coinbase. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.